channel. Today I'm going to unbox with you something I had ordered 2 weeks ago. I'm so excited that I have it today. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from Tanologist. Look at the packaging. It is so cute. I love it. Now, I have not used Tanologist yet. That is something that I'll share with you in another video, my review on it. I'm just going to be unboxing it with you today. A little bit about Tanologist. The founder and CEO of the company is Lottie Tomlinson, which I adore. Super babe. I have been following Lottie for a long time now. Mainly like how I found out about her is I seen a book in chapters, Rainbow Roots. I love this book, everything about it. It's just very nicely laid out and it's just amazing. Love it. You Are Glow Gold. Love it. So I love her little holographic, her little holographic sticker. It's so adorable. And just everything about it, even the tissue paper, her little display here. I got a few different products, and I'll go. So this is a new brand for me. Like, I've been using St. Tropez for a few years now, and I love this one. And I've never really looked for another one, and then Tanologist kind of, I don't know, their branding or something kind of took over me. So I did get the self-tan water. I got it in medium and dark just because I wasn't sure. I also got a self-tan mousse in dark. And lastly, I did get the face and body drops. So these are the self-tan drops in medium. So firstly, I'll start off with the tanning drops. It says you can use them for the face and body. So how do that? So it says apply 1 to 12 drops to your favorite moisturizer and then apply to skin.
Interesting.
I will let you know what I think about these. So with the self-tan water, so it says spray onto dry skin and blend with tanning mitts using large circular motions. And shower 1 to 4 hours after application. Wash hands thoroughly after application. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. I cannot wait to try this and let you guys know how it is. The packaging is amazing, but at the end of the day, it's about the product, right? Okay, so one thing I noticed, so this is a self-tan mousse. Pretty much the same things. Apply to the skin in a circular motion and moisturize dry areas. So it doesn't say to use a mitt for this one, but it does for the water, and I'm kind of confused about that. And I kind of wish I bought a mitt. I didn't actually see any mitts or order any, and now I'm gonna have to go get one. But any kind of dry areas on your body, like your elbows, your knees, your ankles, you're going to want to moisturize those areas. Also, you can moisturize your hands and in between your fingers, and the same with your toes. And then that kind of adds a barrier so you don't get tanned in those areas. One thing I really suggest always is to exfoliate the night before. If you have an exfoliator in your shower, great. If not, sometimes I just go to the cupboard and get some sugar. And I rub it all over my body. Ooh, whoa. So they say this doesn't smell. Unscented. Oh, it has a beautiful smell, but it's not going to smell like that tanning. Okay, so first things first is you always exfoliate your skin. I always do it the night before. It's best. You don't want to wait 2 days because, you know, your skin's going through a process of shedding. So you want the cleanest slate you can get. It's the same, like makeup, get it? So what I might do is I might show you guys a video of how I put it on, the results, because I don't know yet, but I just want to unbox this with